All right, quickly it goes together. Hardtop is out and on, and we're doing a number of different things. We're putting marker lights on, hardtop, glass is going back in it. Though we didn't take much of it out, we did take this piece out. We're putting on hinges, brackets. We're using stainless steel pins, brand new bushings, so this is nice and tight. Stainless steel on the hinge, stainless steel here, back on. Pivots for the windshield frame, excuse me, for the wipers. Very contrasty with our bed liner in there. That looks real sharp. That came out real nice. And we're starting to bolt down the top. We're using stainless steel fasteners, hardware, bolts, nuts, whatever you want to call it, washers, throughout the whole thing. So